Oh, what a crappy day, but then again, we are in January. I got the bed tilted back, but I want to do a cold start on this truck. I think I got spark plug wire issues with this. Currently, the wires are carbon core. I think I need some solid core wires, copper. Stay tuned. All right, a lot of you that saw me do this rebuild know that we replaced the mechanical fuel pump with an electronic fuel pump. So I'll turn the key. You can hear it, maybe. You can see on this truck there's 41,812 original miles. And no, that was not rolled over or anything like that. So those are original miles. They were hard-driven miles, though. You know, the guy that had this truck before me, you know, he even admitted, he's like, you know, the mill was 9 miles away. He said that's the furthest this truck. So anyways, let's see how it turns over. Fired up, kind of. Give it a little breather. And by the way, there is no exhaust system on this truck yet. So, yeah, it's going to be loud. But we're charging. International Harley Davidson. Now, I've been running non-ethanol fuel in this, just like I run in all my gas machines down here. You know, I know a lot of guys are like, well, that's pretty bad. You're a crop farmer and run non-eth. Well, sorry, man. It's just the way it is. And it's not inconsistently, it won't run on all 8 cylinders. And I'm down to the point where I believe fully it has to do with the spark plug wires. Those carbon core wires, I think they're junk. So I'm going to get some copper wires on this, some solid core, and I think it'll change the game for me. I really do. See if it'll idle out. I do need to make some minor adjustments on the carburetor, but no big deal really. I mean, nothing major. The rebuild's done. About 3/4 of a tank of gas. We're not even remotely close to temperature. Oh, by the way, that oil pressure gauge is not hooked up, so it's not zero. I bought a separate one, a digital, but I scratched my head, man. I'm thinking about just hooking up the original. I want to try to keep this truck as original as possible. I mean, you can clearly hear it popping and missing. We're starting to come up on temperature now. Let me know in the comments below what you think as far as the difference between carbon core and solid core wires. And especially if you have a 1600 or any kind of international truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Boom.